Hello, today is Friday, December 18th, and remember there's no live class today because it's a Friday, and we are going to start something called methodizing the monster game. So we're going to take that monster program, but now rewrite it with methods. I've done this a few different years, and it's a pretty tricky thing, but I find like the best thing to do is actually just start all over. Okay, so basically you're going to watch this video and it'll walk you through the steps and everything, but start with like a clean new program and then we're going to build the little pieces from there. I did put my original monster game code, which if you want to copy and paste parts of that out, that's probably the best one to use. I know you have your own monster game, but to keep it consistent with this video, I would look at this code. So you could like download this and then have it up and cut out pieces as you need. The other thing for today is to give you access to the practice test. So you could be working on that. It is due next Wednesday when we take the Chapter 5 test, but I wanted to get it to you as early as possible. So it's right there. You can be working on that, getting ready for the test. Other than that, just a reminder about the programming exercises. I did set them due December 23rd, right? Just think let's get them done and have it all done going into break. So that is it. Hope you have a great day.